Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Johan, a hair consultant from Abehair Corporation. So right now it is lunch. You can see it's our factory right here, so not a lot of people, but there are some other people trying to do their job. So today I want to show you something special. Let's come to our store first. So here you can see this one here is our storage. So it's here for the material. For example, here is 100% Vietnamese virgin hair, beautiful, right? And you can see there's a lot of style here. So today I just show you a quick view about it first, and I want to show you more the next day, the other days, right? So beautiful, right? Now come to the manufacturing. So the first step here, some of them they are manufacturing, they are brushing the hair, classify it, and then here's the machines for to make the web hair, for example. And I love it. Okay. Beautiful, right? So this is only a small location that we are manufacture right now. Below the upper grade here is also there's huge place for other people to process. And here's this one for the machines here for make the hair dry. And come to this one is the area for dyeing. So we have a lot of machines. You can make every color you want, right? Beautiful. So the festival are coming very quick. You have to right here is to connect us now for the best deal. We will provide you everything you need, the products, the services. The product is absolutely amazing. We have high-end quality, of course, from the virgin hair Vietnamese 100% unprocessed, right? We will have another discount and program for you because the season's coming very quick. So what do you have to do? Just as I said again, contact us now through the WhatsApp phone number. I put it in the video description below, and you will have a lot of funny thing. Okay. Alright, so see you next time, guys. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have a lot of video about it. Alright.